Brooklyn, located over the eastern tropical Atlantic Ocean. Northwestern Caribbean Sea and Gulf of Mexico. A broad trough of low pressure is producing disorganized areas of showers and thunderstorms over the northwestern Caribbean Sea and the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Environmental conditions could support some gradual development of this system, and a tropical depression could form over the weekend, as the broader disturbance moves fully into the Gulf of Mexico. Interest along the United States Gulf Coast should continue to monitor the progress of this system. Regardless of development, locally heavy rains could occur over portions of Mexico during the next several days, and over portions of the Florida Peninsula by the weekend. Formation chance for 48 hours. Low, 0.5%. Formation chance for 7 days. Medium, 0.0%. Public advisories on tropical depressions are issued under WN WTN 233-NHC and under WI TS MAH 223-CC3. Forecast advisories on tropical depressions are issued under WN WTN 233-NHC and under WI TS MAH 223-CC3. Forecasted weather flash. This is United States Coast Guard Communications Command.